How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Ray-Bans Meta Glasses speaker not working. So there's a lot of reasons on why this is happening: firmware issues, wrong audio output, Bluetooth connection, and more. So the first thing that you want to do is to just simply play a music on any device. You could simply be doing this on your mobile devices and see whether you really have no audio output. From there, you just have to make sure that you have selected the right audio output. So after connecting your Ray-Bans Meta onto your device, once again, this can work with mobile devices. You just want to simply head over to the sound settings itself, and then you want to select the Ray-Bans Meta as the audio output. So in that way, it will actually output or produce the sound from our Ray-Bans speaker. From there, you then want to try to restart your device, and same thing with the Bluetooth connection. You want to turn off your Ray-Bans Meta, turn off the paired device, and then restart the Bluetooth connection, making sure that they are connected properly. Also, if a firmware update is available, just make sure to update your glasses because this can actually fix bugs and glitches. And for the last option, I suggest hard or factory resetting your glasses. So it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to fold the right arm of your Ray-Bans Meta glasses, and you will be able to see this light right here, which is going to be white as of the moment. And then after folding it this way, you just want to press the capture button 5 times, and then this white light will then turn into a solid orange light, indicating the factory reset in process. Once again, it's going to be the same thing, which will remove bugs and glitches, but if not, you could just take your glasses to a technician because it's more likely that it's a hardware issue. But before that, you have to confirm everything first before you conclude that it's a hardware problem. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.